What you buying?
The paint scraper for the anti-fouling.
And the budget marine is open again in the mornings. Nice. After Hurricane Beryl happened, we found ourselves a new home on the ocean. During the storm, a container smashed into the hull, creating various holes, and eventually landed on top of it. And her keel broke and was pushed inside the hull. In the last weeks we have started the process of fixing her up, and we really are doing our best to make her in a perfect condition again to be our home on the ocean for many years to come. There she is, Limonada 2. We're going to use this scraper to get the end falling off. If you cannot handle screeches, just put your fingers in your ear for a second. It goes pretty well. Good morning, it's time to continue. Yesterday we started with that area over there and I was thinking, what am I doing? That's where my problem area is. That's where the keel's broken and pushed into the hull. That's where I should start. Why am I not starting there? That's where I need to see what the actual real problem is going to be to fix. So I'm gonna first continue there, scrape around it, and then when that's finished, the whole hull. Barely made breakfast and is doing dishes, but the water is coming out here. I think we have to do dishes in a different way today. Let me know what you think about the editing, guys, because that's what Danny is doing. I also want to make one thing clear. You know, I am not a specialist. I'm just, you know, a do-it-yourselfer who's really trying his best to do things as good as possible. But, you know, I make a lot of mistakes. At the end, I will tell you what I've learned, and maybe we can all learn something from it. Okay, let's begin again. Oh yeah, getting there. I just hope that my the learning of the technique goes faster than before my muscle strength runs out. I'm taking a little break just to, you know, let my muscles rest again. And there's one thing I really like to talk about. Like, I don't know who of you has seen me working on first boat I owned, Limonada. One of the major differences is that on a small monohull, I was always living in the work area. Like, I had to do a lot inside the boat, which here will be too in both of the hulls, but not in the living area. And it was not really like a clean space to go back to after work. And that really makes a massive difference now. Like, yeah, I'm working in the dust, and later also in the hull, but we can work in one hull, sleep in the other, and just make such a massive mental difference that you can separate that, go take a shower later, and I'm back in a clean area. I don't have to actually also like sit in the dust. Of course, when I had my first boat, I was really super broke. If I wasn't, it would have probably been better to just rent a place while working on the boat. But that's not always how it works, you know. I really wanted to make it work. I had little money and I made it work. And now it's nice that I'm able to do it just a little bit more comfortable. switch battery. It's going pretty good. Getting a bit of technique. That's good. Let's bring it up. Let's bring the footage to Daniela and take a little break. Hello, how's it going?
Hello.
Hello. We're going to bring footage and take a break.
Okay, baby. Welcome.
I'm going to continue doing the rest from here because I just noticed it's a lot easier to work from right to left because I'm right-handed. Now we get to the major problem area. Quick protein lunch. Tonight we have to eat some vegetables.
It's very nice, but it's the perfect food for you and me when we are working in the boat.
I'm very happy with that. So much space in this kitchen. When Danny was making lunch, I finished the rest here, and also they did this part. Now I'm going to do all the way around it. It's actually a lot harder to do that bottom area because it's a lot harder to put strength on that because you have to, like, you know, sit uncomfortably. I need to clear out one thing because I know I'm gonna get comments on my use of socks. It's because I have a wound in one of my feet. I'm trying to keep it clean. Okay, let's continue. Danny just bought me lemonade and chips. Although chips is not really a good idea to eat right now because I'll be sticking my fingers in my mouth too. But really sweet. I just have to save the chips for later. Cheers. Getting there, guys. Getting there. Yeah, I know it's a lot of work, but we're gonna sail away here on a catamaran. I can be nothing else than excited when I do this work. I'm just, I might not do everything right, but I'm gonna do everything with the most amount of love that I have because I'm gonna sail away here on a catamaran. Look at that. This is as far as I can get with the scraper. Yeah. This is as far as my energy goes today. Tomorrow, I'm gonna start to do the same on this side. Think I need a shower. See you tomorrow. I'm doing laundry with a bucket because, you know, don't want to put dirty clothing on again tomorrow. So Let's hang it up. Try it out. Good morning. It's a beautiful new day. Let's start scratching anti-falling. I feel like I'm slowly getting my technique down. Slight pain in my hands, but I think after both of the holes are finished, I'm pretty much a professional, right? Danny says, venga, that means come. I think breakfast is ready.
Venga, it's come.
In the previous video, I took the baby stay off and also the triangle in front of the boat, which needs to be aluminum welded. If you wonder why I don't do that immediately now, it's because, well, apparently there's a rigger here in Kyrgyzstan who is really busy. I'm waiting for a friend of mine to give me all the details from the rigger and aluminum welder in Grenada, the main island. And then I want to do it, I'm trying to be effective with my time, because you take a couple hour ferry to Grenada main island and then spend a full day there to fix those things if I can do it in one day, and then sleep there for a night and then come back. So I gotta rent an Airbnb for that. So I'm just trying to be effective with my time. So when I have all those details, I'm gonna continue with that. John is doing dishes.
In a special condition.
So today I started doing the bottom side there first. It's just a lot harder because it's just a lot harder to make that movement and to put any strength there. So now it's like 1 p.m. I'm gonna start on the easier side. Almost done on this side, but late lunch, early dinner is ready.
Hello.
Hello. What you make?
Vegetables and chicken.
Ooh la la, thank you. This is how far I can get with the scraper, and this gives me at least the opportunity to see what the damage is over here. So do a little walkthrough. So you see the keel, and where bend double is going to be, I think you can see it, right? So you got the rib all the way, that just goes all the way to here, and then this is better visible from the other side. I can show you now the big cracks and an overview of the major damage. However, this is still just a real general viewing of the damage. Before really knowing what the exact damage is, I will have to go deeper with electric tools to see where all the cracks exactly are. But this is a good start. Before we continue with electric tools, we'll first continue taking the anti-fouling of the rest of the boat off.
Thanks for watching, guys, and
we'll see you next week, where we'll continue to try to bring it back in as good as I can condition again.
bye bye.